Hello, my name is Matt Thola. Today I'm here at Squamish Watersports. Went on a nice little tour around the Howe Sound. We were checking out the new accessible lift that they have in here. I was greeted by the friendly staff. I dropped off my stuff in storage and I used the bathroom, which was perfectly accessible. They fitted me with a life jacket and we went down the ramp. Then they have a crane that comes around and uses straps, harnesses, and everything clips in. Then they lift me up with the hoist and then turn me around and they drop me softly and gently into the boat. After that, they have a 5-point harness and they clip it in, fasten it up, and off we are on our tour. And if you haven't been to Squamish, it's a really wonderful, beautiful place. There's mountains all around. You got a nice shot of the Chief in the background, Shannon Falls. There are sea lions, and what a beautiful day for a nice little adventure. Squamish Watersports is a really great spot. If you're interested in getting out on the water and you have limited ability, this is a great spot for you and your family and friends to have an adventure.